So this is the 8 Series that's been parked here for almost 8 years, 10 years. Wow.
It's a V8.
V8?
If you count them, it's a 12.
Oh my god, it's a V10? A V12? It's a Bugatti? It's a Bugatti?
That might
Wow.
drop.
That is crazy. It's the first time seeing under the hood of one of these, by the way. I've never ever seen one before. That is absolutely crazy. Imagine working on that. We're not going to do the rocker cover on this. Forget that. Go on, Kyle. He's getting the 8 Series out for the first time. It's coming out today. But more than 8 years, isn't it?
Alpine wheels on it, it's expensive.
I know, yeah.
When it was running.
I know, just look at the disc, just to show you guys. It's
The inside's
legit.
not even mouldy. The inside looks perfect.
I know, yeah, and all that car's mouldy. And just like what people are going to ask, yes, it's a manual.
Manual V12.
Manual V12. I'll be honest with you, it is worth some mad money for that. It smells nice in there as well. How long has it been here? 8 years?
At least 4.
At least 4. There's the keys.
After a month, and this one is mint inside.
Have you seen it? I want to sit inside it, you know.
No mould, no nothing.
No mould. Oh, wow. That's a hot chair, man. Wow.
The plastic's been in there that long, it's just falling apart.
The clutches look pretty good as well. Bam. Bam.
Back on it and drive it out.
Yeah, let's drive it now, send it. Wow. Wow.
Got your jump box on you?
Yeah.
Shit happens.
Should we try it? Let's try it. Nice carpet, that is. Top on that. Wow, cups. Pretty mad. The back seats as well. Look at the dust on that. Let's do it. Let's do it. It's got a sunroof as well. It's got a sunroof. I think it used to be a phone here, I'm guessing. Wow. Let's do it. Let's jump it, man. So what we're gonna do now? Yeah, look how big the rear wheels are. So we are gonna attempt to start the V12 or the Bmw 8 Series. Oh, Oxito, so big shout out to Oxito. They've sponsored this video by giving a jump start to jumpstart this V12. Let's see if it works. Hit it. Gas it, gas it. Be better to drive it than to just... Go, 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 yeah. Gas it, gas it, gas it. Woo, woo, woo. It's starting up. The V12 is starting up. You want to drive it? Look at that. Started up. The V12 has started up, man. First time driving an 8 Series V12 with Kyle and Mike, man. Jeez. It's a shame, man.
It's an amazing car.
It is an amazing car.
The inside is amazing.
It is like
Perfect.
the left of the passenger. It's the first time opening passenger door. Look, got so much rubbish in there. That is mad. Look how clean it is. Like literally.
Love this car. Imagine
Wow.
if this was running mint, how good it'd drive V12.
That it would be worth a lot. Somebody let us know how much an 8 Series V12 manual is worth on the market in 2025. Comment down below. Yep, it's his fault. Absolutely his fault. Maybe he's fed up that he gapped him in the Golf. Am I better off reversing the trailer back as well?
Yeah, just out that gap a bit.
Yeah. Because I don't think I could get that on.
I'd love to clean it.
Me too. Do you think we should? You know what? It looks like a Ferrari, like a supercar. To me, it looks like a supercar.
We would have kept up with the supercars with the Alpine wheels.
Definitely.
They're probably another car.
I know, yeah. More than just a car. Alright, I think that's enough footage. It would be nice to clean it, but there's just no point, is there? A little bit. What is that? He's gonna send it.
Am I straight?
You are straight. He's gonna send it. He sent it. That was a good send.
That was a good send. I didn't do anything. I didn't stall it. It just cut out. Just clapped out.
Yeah. Right, let's go. Right, you ready? Yeah. I'm gonna full gas it. Nothing. Again.
Oh yeah. Try starting.
So we're going to try and get it onto a trailer, get the right wheel off, and then we can shift the 8 Series to the right to get it onto a trailer. Alright, PD 130 power! Send it! Again? Yeah. That's it, perfect! And then we're good to take it, guys. Little bit more. There we go. On the trailer, all 4 wheels are in, strapped up, ready for drop off. It's a shame, but that's the job that we've been told to do, and we're doing it. What do you reckon, guys? How much this is worth? If it's worth restoring or not? It's got an engine misfire problem, as you can see.